Hello friends, thank you for being logged into this channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and take time to watch other videos that might be of interest to you. In this video, we'll discuss part 8 of the top 5 business machines you can buy from China and start generating income, whether you are a business beginner, entrepreneur or business owner looking to venture into other businesses, then this video is for you. 1. Paperegg Tray Making Machine. The high demand for sustainable and eco-friendly packaging solutions creates a breathly business idea of paper egg tray production. Paper egg trays are widely used for packaging eggs, fruits, and other fragile items. They are biodegradable and environmentally friendly, making them an attractive choice for consumers and businesses alike. Widely used in the poultry industry for packaging eggs due to low cost of raw materials, which is waste paper. Continuous demand from poultry farms, grocery stores, and markets ensures a steady market for egg trays. Trays provide effective protection for eggs and other fragile items during transportation and storage, reducing breakage and waste. Machines are energy efficient, hence reducing operational costs, which boosts high profit margins with low costs for the raw material. Start and grow your paper egg tray making business by providing high quality and sustainable packaging solutions to a wide range of customers. Machine price start from $2,000. 2. Laser engraving machine business. Starting a laser engraving machine business can be a profitable and versatile venture. Laser engraving allows you to create detailed and precise designs on a variety of materials, including wood, glass, metal, acrylic, leather, and more. This flexibility opens up numerous opportunities in different markets such as personalized gifts, custom signage, promotional items, industrial parts, and more. Popular for gifts, awards, and business promotions, jewelry, and electronics. Machine can create custom signs for businesses, events, and homes. Marking parts and tools with serial numbers, barcodes, and logos for identification and traceability. Engraving plaques, medals, and trophies for various events and achievements. Customizing products like phone cases, laptops, and accessories with unique designs. Prices start from $200. Starting a business with a laser engraving machine offers a wide range of applications and benefits, making it a versatile and profitable venture. The ability to produce high-quality, customized products can cater to diverse markets and customer needs, ensuring a steady demand and growth potential. 3. Disposable aluminum foil container making machine. Aluminum foil containers are popular for their convenience, durability, and ability to keep food fresh. They are widely used in restaurants, catering, bakeries, and household kitchens. Starting a business focused on producing disposable aluminum foil containers can be a profitable venture, given the widespread use of these containers in the food industry. Aluminum foil is recyclable, which gives it better environmental footprint compared to some plastics, and production costs are relatively low due to cheap raw materials. Can easily produce containers for packaging ready-to-eat meals, takeout, and delivery services. Containers suitable for baking pies, cakes, and other baked goods. Can easily supply containers to catering events, parties, and gatherings. Continuous demand from the food service industry, households, and supermarkets ensures a steady market for these products. Machine can produce various shapes and sizes of containers to meet different market needs. Prices start from $5,000 with potential to diversify into other aluminum foil products. Starting a business with this machine offers numerous opportunities for growth and profitability. The high demand for convenient, hygienic, and recyclable food packaging solutions ensures a steady market, while the versatility and efficiency of production enable businesses to cater to diverse customer needs. 4. Paper plates making machine business. Starting a paper plates making business can be a profitable venture due to the increasing demand for disposable and eco-friendly tableware. Paper plates are widely used in parties, events, fast food outlets, and households due to their convenience and biodegradability. These plates are relatively cheap since they are recyclable and can be conveniently transported compared to other plates, and they are very essential for catering services, restaurants, hotels, and events. Provide plates for weddings, parties, corporate events, and other gatherings. Offer paper plates for everyday use in homes for convenience and easy cleanup. Can easily be supplied to schools, hospitals, and other institutions. Very good for picnics, camping, and other outdoor activities. Plates can be sold and supplied through supermarkets, grocery stores, and online platforms. Disposable plates offer convenience for both consumers and businesses, eliminating the need for washing and reducing labor costs. Prices start from $1,000. Starting a business with a paper plate making machine offers numerous opportunities for growth and profitability, driven by the high demand for convenient, disposable tableware. The ability to produce eco-friendly options and customized products further enhances the market potential and appeal to a broad customer base. 5. Disposable cup making machine. The high demand for disposable cups in the food and beverage industry makes it another lucrative business idea to make. Disposable cups are used extensively in coffee shops, fast food outlets, restaurants, and for events and parties. So starting a disposable cup making business can be a lucrative venture that can bring you a lot of profits. Machine can produce cups in various sizes and materials, paper, plastic, biodegradable, and can serve a broad market from small coffee shops to large fast foods. Can easily providing cups for events, parties, weddings, and corporate gatherings and sold through supermarkets, grocery stores, and online platforms. Can easily produce cups with custom prints, logos, and designs, catering to branding needs for businesses and potentially produce biodegradable and compostable cups, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Machine can produce different types of cups, including hot and cold beverage cups with various sizes and designs. Convenient for both consumers and businesses, eliminating the need for washing and reducing labor costs. Machine price starts from $3,000, so there you have it, the 5 money-making machines that you can buy and start making money from the yard of your home or garage. Tell us which machine you liked most, share with us in the comment section which type of machine you want us to talk about and which one do you intend to buy. If you were to start your business. See you in the next video. Adios.